I will show you how to make a playlist on YouTube using your own videos. First, go to YouTube and click on the profile icon on the top right corner. Then, select YouTube Studio. Once in the back end, go ahead and click on the Create button. Then, select New Playlist. A new menu will pop up. Here, you can name your playlist. Give it a description as well if you want. Scroll down a little and you can choose if you want your playlist to be public, private, or unlisted. I will stick with public. You can also change how the videos on your playlist will show here. Once you are happy with these settings, click on the Add Video button. You will be shown all your recent videos. You will need to use the search bar to look for specific videos you want to add, as the options here will only give you recent videos. Once you're done adding, click on the Done button. Then click on Create. If you want to add your new playlist to your channel tab, go to the Customizations tab and click on it. Then select Home tab. Go ahead and click on the Add Section button and choose Single Playlist. Select the new playlist and drag it to the place you want it. Click on Publish and your channel will display the changes. To delete the playlist, go to the Content section and select the Playlist tab. Then, click on the three-dot icon and select Delete, and the playlist will be gone.